is Eric Garage. Welcome once again. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Help this work improvement. Today, you have to check the strength of your engine, the rings. If the engine is strong, sometimes you find the engine burn up oil, the oil shortage, you short oil. This is how to check the strength of your engine. You see this one? It is strong. It's strong. The rings are strong. You see, you can hear the sound now. You can hear the sound. This can cause piston slap. It's a lot of noise. That sometimes you start your engine or spark your engine, you hear quack 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 quack. Engine sound. Check this one too. You can hear. And hear that. That means your engine is weak. It's likely to produce smoke because it will burn oil. The oil will short, so likely to produce smoke and create a lot of sound. So can you to check that? Let's go here again. Take the other two. So that after here, check the other two piston and see whether is strong or not. Is it? You have to check the other piston too. You can hear the sound. So if it is working, you can hear this one. So you need to do something called overhauling to change the rings because the rings are weak. In this one, it goes out to consume more oil. That sometimes you see a lot of smoke at your back when you are in traffic. There's a lot of smoke, or when you are driving, a lot of smoke, and you can hear the engine sound will not perform well. Engine sound because this can give you sound. You can see. So one piston, 1, 2, 3, 4. All of them are weak, so you're supposed to change the rings. Send it to mechanic to change the rings for you, to do something called overhauling and check everything for you to seize or cut out the smoke. You get your engine well performed. This is Chevrolet 1.4 engine. Hey Chevrolet. Thank you. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye.